me a lot because I was doubting myself every day. Every zero, I was doubting that why is this happening to me. But still, I still remember all the memories that throughout that tournament I was having. Everyone was coming to me. The only thing they were saying me, we believe in you. You are just one inning away. Just try to follow the process and keep the smile on. And that's what I was trying. And finally, it happened on the main day. So everything just.
It looks like, Sanju, you're going to be opening the batting with another young kid who was up on stage just now. Not quite Abhishek. Someone like an Ayush Matre. What conversations will you have with him? Or will it be like Vaibhav?
Nowadays, I kind of feel there is no need to tell them what to do or what not to do. Actually, you just stand at the non-striker end and ask them what they want to do. So with Vaibhav also, I batted in a game against CSK and we are chasing a score. So he looked more clearer than I was actually. So nowadays, people are in different zone actually. So we just let them free and be what they want to be. That's the best place to be in IPL. So just sit back and be there for them. If they are expecting something out of you, then be ready with your answers. That's what you can do.
Hardik, you're in an interesting position because you've got youngsters in your team too, like every franchise does. And you've got Surya Kumar Yadav, you've got the great Rohit Sharma in your side. How does a captain balance such widely differing personalities in an IPL team?
I think, as you mentioned, Surya is there, Roh is there. I think that gives me added advantage that I have some heads which have already led India / in their career. And at the same point of time, we've been playing with each other for almost so many years. It's been close to 8-9 years. So, the relationship and the love and the understanding is so much that it's always a help. With the youngsters, you just see individuals. You just see what they require. Do they require your help? And just reminding that, this sport, I think there's a lot of fearlessness. There's a lot of excitement. But I think nowadays, the patience is the most important thing in the sport. So it's just reminding them, be patient, wait for your time, work hard, learn new tricks. There are so many experienced players around us, coaches, individuals. Keep learning it. Eventually, it's going to help you in the big stage.
He's talking about patience, and the guy next to him wants to hit the first ball for 6. आपके क्या गोल्स हैं इस साल आईपीएल में? ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आप हासिल करना चाहो इस साल?
सर इस बार यही गोल है कि ट्रॉफी जीतता है टीम के लिए और सब प्रैक्टिस भी काफ़ी अच्छा चल रहा है और काफ़ी सब कॉन्फिडेंस में भी लग रहा है, तो होपफुली इस बार ट्रॉफी हम लोग जीतेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको 3 सवाल करता हूँ, उसमें से 3 चीज़ें बताता हूँ आपको. आप बताइए उसमें से सबसे ख्वाहिश आपकी किस चीज़ की होगी? 6 सिक्सेस इन एन ओवर? क्रिस गेल आपकी तरह लेफ्ट हैंडर थे, उन्होंने 175 बनाए थे आईपीएल में, या फिर फास्टेस्ट आईपीएल 100? वैसे सेकंड फास्टेस्ट किसने किया आपको पता है?
मैंने ही किया है.
तो इन 3 चीज़ों में सबसे ख्वाहिश क्या होगी आपकी?
सर वही 175 का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने का.
बाएं हाथ के वो जरूर आ जाएंगे, वो वैसे ही शख्सियत है, वो आप आ जाएंगे. You're going to be playing against him now, Sanju, in your first game?
Yes, we are.
What plans?
Nothing. This time I think my role is very simple. Just go out there, bat, run around the field and enjoy a game of cricket. So much easy. Not thinking much about the opponents. So doing the role which is required.
आपके सामने आपके अंडर 19 कैप्टन भी रहेंगे, आपके टीम में जड्डू रहेंगे, उस टीम में संजू रहेंगे, लेकिन आयुष मात्रे दूसरी साइड रहेंगे. तो आपके बीच में जो इतनी एक भाईचारा सा बन गया था अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में, अब राइवल्स बन के कैसा रहेगा?
नहीं सर, लास्ट टाइम भी अगेंस्ट में मेरे मैच हुआ था तो ऐसा कुछ राइवलरी नहीं था. हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेले, तो इस बार भी हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेलेंगे एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट और ट्राई करेंगे अपनी टीम के लिए 100% देने का.
With the Sunrisers, a team that Abhishek plays for. By the way, when you turn up again, you said last year that Pat Cummins said to you, score 225, 250, doesn't matter if you get bowled out for 100. Is that still going to be the approach up at Chinnaswamy against RCB?
I mean, it's going to be with all the teams. That's what we have been trying in all the matches. But yeah, it was the Pat Cummins always wanted to be that team that dominates in all the games. Individual score doesn't matter, but you have to dominate no matter what team you're playing against.
Hardik, these 3 people don't have something that you have, belonging to a franchise that's won 5. And you, of course, won 1 with Gujarat as well. What is the approach that a team needs to have over a long 14-game season to try and win a trophy not once but 5 times?
Interesting. I mean, to win an IPL, I think as individuals, as group, you really need to commit. There are no off days. And if you specifically speak about IPL, there are no off days. T20 cricket is such a unique sport where the game can change any point of time. And you must have seen over the years as well that there is a team doing well, but there is one slip, one kind of a mishap or a one game here and there, and they kind of lose the whole momentum in the IPL. So what I felt that to win the IPL, you need to be very smart about it, how you want to go about it. At the same point of time, how do you overcome the pressure? Because IPL is also a lot of pressure of the franchisee sport. So when you collect all these dots and then always make sure that every time when you come on the ground, you put the best foot forward, you have a chance to win the IPL because it still does not guarantee you. On that day, when the matters, you need to have all the luck and all the love and all the support from you, and that's what matters.
Hair's going to be the same color for the IPL?
Yes. I think I'm not enjoying the black, so I'll keep this.
Okay, I've got some quick questions for all of you, just for everyone's curiosity. I'll start with you, Abhishek. Same question for all of you. Do you remember the first phone you ever owned? First phone. First phone. My generation's was a telephone, chhod do, mobile phone.
I still remember we were playing under 12, under 14, I guess. So Samsung, it was Samsung. But let me tell you one thing. Only one player had iPhone that time, and that was Shubman in our team. So I still remember he was the guy with iPhone, I think 4 or something. But I had Samsung. I know.
Sanju?
Motorola flip ones.
Motorola.
वैसे कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि अंडर 16 को सोशल मीडिया बैन होना चाहिए, तो वैभव को फोन देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए?
उसके पास दो है अभी.
अगर मैं पूछूं पहला कौन सा था, वो तो अभी का था. Your first video game?
First video game. I think everybody must have played that Cricket 07 EA Sports. That was my first game.
GTA Vice City.
WWE.
फर्स्ट वीडियो गेम आपका?
सर मैं वीडियो गेम खेलते ही नहीं हूँ.
क्योंकि आपका क्रिकेट लोग कहते हैं वीडियो गेम की तरह ही है.
क्रिकेट ही वीडियो गेम खेलता है.
ना ही खेलो, बल्ले से गेंद को ही मारते रहो. Your cricketing idol growing up, Abhishek?
Cricket idol?
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh.
Sanju?
Sachin sir.
Wasim Jafar.
ब्रायन लारा एंड युवराज सिंह.
Tell me about Wasim.
I just loved from day one. Whenever I saw him batting, I used to just try to copy him. The way his, the class which he had, the timing which he had, which really I was very attracted to it. So yeah.
First car or first bike?
First, I think scooty. I would say Activa. I used to go on that to the ground, so Activa.
Wagoner.
Wagoner.
Maruti 800. The कांच पीछे से खुलने वाली.
मैंने सर अभी तक नहीं लिया है.
पर मैंने देखा अभी कि आपको किसी ने एक दी है गाड़ी, तो है आपके पास फिलहाल?
है यार, ओकी गाड़ी तो होगी ना.
लाइसेंस नहीं है तुम्हारे पास.
नहीं, वो कह रहा है कि लाइसेंस नहीं है. पर माइक उठा के बोल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं. Abhishek, first match that you ever watched in a stadium, do you remember? That you went to a stadium to watch?
Yes, I think it was IPL match final. It was a final game of Kings 11 and RCB. Sorry, KKR and Kings 11. Sorry, KKR won that game in Chinnaswamy.
Just as well you didn't say RCB and talk about the result. नहीं तो पहले मैच में बड़ी स्लेजिंग होती है आपको. First game you saw at a stadium? In Delhi or back in Kerala?
I think it was an IPL game which I was a part of. I never went and saw a game actually.
Serious?
Yeah.
The first game you saw in a stadium was a game you were playing?
Yeah, I think so. I can't remember watching a game.
Mine was India versus Australia in Baroda. I think it was 2010ish. I was a ball boy.
Be careful when you say 2010ish because the guy next to you will say मैं शायद पहली बार